Next topic in this chapter is sewage management, which is done with the help of microorganisms. Sewage is the waste that comes from the houses and other things, which includes the waste material from our body. The waste that is thrown out of our body, out of human beings' body, out of animals' body, comes under sewage. So, especially in urban cities, in big cities, sewage management is a big problem, and if it is done with the help of microorganisms, the problem is reduced to a greater extent. So a particular group of microorganisms which can use or decompose the sewage waste is used for this purpose. What is done is the group of microorganisms which can decompose sewage is mixed with the sewage, and then these microorganisms have the ability to destroy the harmful pathogens which are present in the sewage, and they also decompose the sewage into some form which is not harmful or which is not waste. Then what actually happens when these microorganisms decompose the sewage? When the sewage is decomposed, the carbon compounds which are present in the sewage, by using those carbon compounds, the microorganisms release methane and carbon dioxide. That means when microorganisms decompose sewage, then methane gas and carbon dioxide is formed. So carbon dioxide mixes with the atmosphere, that's fine, and then methane can be used as a fuel. So there is no waste after the process of decomposition. There are some xenobiotic chemicals also present in the sewage. Xenobiotic chemicals means some harmful chemicals which were not already present in the sewage, but they have got mixed from somewhere, from some source, but they are harmful. So those are considered as xenobiotic. Okay, some foreign chemical which has come, okay, which was not already present. The word xenobiotic means that. So there is a special group of bacteria which is called as phenol oxidizing bacteria. This group of bacteria can decompose such harmful xenobiotic chemicals also. So microorganisms are really very helpful, and they are really doing a very great work for us. See how many harmful things they reduce from our waste. Next, what happens is, after the process of decomposition is completed, the sludge that is formed, it can be used as a fertilizer. Okay, so it is again better than using chemical fertilizers. Then environmentally safe water is released after the microbial treatment is done of the sewage water. Means after the decomposition is completed of the sewage, some amount of water is produced which is a byproduct, and this water is environmentally safe and clean water. Next, what something more useful that happens during this process is, some particular microorganisms, they bring about bioremediation of environment. And bioremediation of environment means, in simple words, if there is some pollutant in the environment release, these microorganisms are able to use or break down this pollutant. It is called bioremediation. So such group of microorganism is also useful in sewage management, and they are also used.